Welcome to my Unity 2D game development tutorial series. This video tutorial are designed to help you improve your Unity development skills. By the end of this series, you will able to create your own Unity 2D game. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. If you enjoyed this video and think it could benefit your friend or family, please share it with them. I will be adding more informative and useful videos soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Let's get started with the video. And also this game have basic settings like background music on or off, game music on or off, and this game setting design. Okay, back to game, main menu, restart game. If you like restart, so you can restart this game, and also timer is start. I hope you get some idea about this video tutorial. Throughout this tutorial series, I will guide you step by step to recreate this game. By the end, you will have the skills and knowledge to build similar games on your own. Thank you for watching this video.